All right. So be rasagen chofada leshanishka. Okay. So we'll have a race as far as the water. And then Marid says, Fan gawaime machapin snava. So wait till I get my swimming cap, okay? So fan means wait. Go here is used to mean until. Okay? We had some similar things before, but fan go is a way to say wait until. Okay? Fan go, and then you use actually what's the future. Waihi. Go waihi is until I will get. Okay? It's the future of fai. Where we have fai glinadom, get a glass for me. Or fan go waihi, wait until I will get something. In this case, kapin is a cap. Mochapin is my cap, and kapin snava is a cap of swimming. Snav is swimming, snava is of swimming, so a cap of swimming. Kind of like we had the sitting place, aichitcha is a place of sitting. Kapin snava is a place of, is a cap of swimming. And there's another word, if you were here for the party, we had the word koli, which is a costume, or it also means a suit. And it's feminine, so actually a swimsuit would be kuli nava. Kuli nava. Nava. That's a SH, so it's a nava. Kuli nava is a suit of swimming. And kapin's masculine, so it's kapin snava, but kuli nava. Okay?
Kuli nava. Kapin snava.
Okay? So I'm not going to get into the Gawaihime thing too much right now. It's just fun Gawaihime. Machapin snava. Wait until I get. Yeah. Okay. A few more examples though. Wait until I drink the tea. Fun gonolime ante. So wait until I will drink the tea. Or wait until I do it. Fun gonyeni me. And you notice basically the future you have usually this F-A-I-D-H on the end. The one in the main sentence is an irregular one, but wait till your father comes home. Okay, I didn't know you remember that. So, fan gojoki daharawalya. Choki means come, will come. So, fan gojoki, wait until will come. Dahar is your father, awalya is home. Okay? Okay? So, we won't get into too much.
Why doesn't the cat have shaven?
Because it. Why
is a cap?
Oh, the reason it has it in the main sentence is it's mo chepin. The mo puts shevu in the main sentence, but in D down there I just have the word capin by itself. It's just a cap. But mo chepin is my cap. Is that what you meant, or
no? When you said the swimming suit.
Oh, the reason that is because capin is masculine and kuli is feminine, and that's what makes the difference. Yeah.
So that's an adjective, not a genitive.
It's actually a genitive. they behave like adjectives. They have adjectives for aspiration, but yeah.
Is that all genitives or just that one? Or?
No, it doesn't. Names always get it, but yeah, genitives after word tend to behave like adjectives. They aspirate the same as adjectives. If you don't know what that means, don't worry. But, okay, so let's go to sentence 10. So Garoid says, hurry up, Jane Jeffer.
Jane Jeffer.
Which literally means something like make haste. Okay? And then Donald counts off 1, 2, 3 in Hain Ado Tri Ischach. So 1, 2, 3. Ischach means in. It's short for Ischachling, meaning in with us. Okay, in we go. Ischach. Okay? And then the comment is, Vi an sport akusen ishka. So they had great fun in the water. The word sport means fun in Irish. So on sport is great fun. So they had great fun in the water.
Is that adopted from English?
Probably the other. Actually, sport probably came into Irish from English. There's another expression in Irish, spree, which also means fun. And I'm not sure. There's a few words, so I guess. Yeah, sport and spree. And actually, a lot of times, if you want to say someone was great, you say, "Vi sport like a spree on." So there was sport and spree there. It means it was a great time. Okay.
So Aku's at the water?
At them, they had.
They had.
So V it's kind of goes back to what we had at number 8. So V sport Aku, they had fun. V on sport Aku, they had great fun. Sun Ishka in the water. Sun means in the, Ishka's water. Okay.
Was fun at them.
Okay.
In the water.
Yeah. Okay. And what I'm going to do is, there's a little sea poem here. Okay, it's called An Airge, the Sea. So I'm going to go. I'll read it through. So it says, Ta an airge grinka leis na héisk, níl na portáin na grinka, mar tá siad an trá, tá célis an airge anocht agus tá cura agam, is sport agus ólagan leis an warige agus na héisk. So some kid wrote this, so it's kind of interesting. But okay, so first of all, ta an airge grinka. So the sea is dancing. Okay, grinka leis na héisk. So dancing with the fishes. Okay, plural. So a grinka is dancing, and you dance with. Lesh na is the when you have more than one. Eish is fishes. So dancing with the fish. Neil na portain na grinka. So the crabs aren't dancing. Porton is crab. Portain are crabs. So they are not dancing. Martashiad ern tra. Since they're on the beach. Mar is because. Tashiad, they are and tra on the beach. And tra, I think, is related to might be to like strand, to the word strand. Okay. So Takeli san arga anocht. So Kaylee is like Irish dancing get together. Okay. San arga in the sea anocht tonight. Agus takura agam. So and I have an invitation. So again, the way you say you have something, there is invitation at me. And the word kura comes from the word kur, to put, because you put an invitation to people. Okay, kura. And base sport agus ólagan. So we'll have fun and drink. Okay, so bay sport, so it's fun. Agus all and drinking again at us, so we will have sport, fun and drink. Lesh and warige agus na héisk. So with the sea and the fish. Okay, some kid wrote this, so I don't know what kind of. I assume they were drinking lemonade. Yes.
How come in sentence 12 sport has a fada on it and in the poem it does not?
That's a good question.
Don't tell me there's more grammar that I don't know.
Either I miscopied it. Actually, I'm not sure if that one goes with it. Sport, I guess. Sport. I think it's without. Would someone want to look one up? Look up sport in the Irish side. I think it's supposed to be without. Okay. So let's go to Keshtana. Questions. All right, so Kesh, actually we're going to have you read it. Let's go back to... Okay, there's a fada on there.
So all the time.
Yeah.
Sport?
My guess is probably then that they...
Child can't spell.
It's possible that there's an... And that seems to me like a word that might have an alternation too. But either that or I miscopied it.
Would crack have a different connotation?
Crack is fun, but crackalch is crazy. So crackalch is cracked, but crack also is fun. Yeah, beyond crack on, there's great fun there.
Well, they use crack in the Anglicized speech. Do they use sport too?
I think sport, and I think the expression spree is related to. So, yeah. Okay, let's actually go back to page 1. We're going to do is read through this. So, start us off, Sean, with sentence 1.
Hui an plan kish faragal.
Kish faragal. Faragal. Okay, and Andy?
Bina sluiche on Lashen.
Sluiche. Okay, and